Okay, so I really miss you guys. You know what?
Same
I was going through the UTM pages now, right? And I saw this one advertisement. It's about a competition, and I think like it's something that we can participate in.
Wow, tell us more.
So basically, this competition is called Soundscape, and it's one of the activities that will be held higher during the ELCA competition.
Oh, ELCA?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, yes, I've heard about it too.
Yeah, so basically, ELCA has been organized by the MOHE. And this time around, oh my god, you know what? Our university
Huh?
is the host. Oh,
Yeah, I mean, it's interesting. So, what do we have to do?
so that's the thing. I think Glow, you participated in it like last year, right? So I think she can explain about it more.
Basically, Soundscape, we need to create our own music video and then English music video, and then we have to publish it in YouTube. It can be either a solo performance, duet, or group singing. But we need to compose our own lyrics with the melodies of any song. For example, we take the song from Maroon 5, Sugar, and then we just change the whole lyric. And then,
Interesting.
yeah, it's all about being creative.
Wait, what kind of genre do we need to do?
Pop, rock, indie, you name it, everything is possible. And not only that, we can use songs from other languages as well, for example, Korean and Russian. And so long as produce our own lyrics.
Are there any rules that we need to speak to?
Of course, yeah. First of all, we can only use English as the lyrics. And of course, no profanity, no obscenity, no swearing words allowed. As for the music video, we have to dress appropriately and properly, and the music video must not exceed 5 minutes. I found a sample video actually. Shall we watch it together?
Yes,
Oh my
go.
god. Bring it on.
To ELCA's briefing, following COVID-19 issues, Malaysia's economy dropped and declined until 17.1% to $1,200 million accrues were terminated yesterday. 4,500 companies announced bankruptcy. Until then, stay safe and take care, Malaysia.
To go back to uni, but why's it taking so long? Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I wanna go back to uni, my mental health is getting bad. Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I wanna wake up in my college room, waiting for all the buses, feeling so mighty tired, sitting in all my classes every day. Is that the reason for me having back pain? I said I want to meet all my friends, chill after class and laugh. Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I want to meet all my friends, take this for granted again. Oh no, someone please end the COVID. Cases are rising up. Pack your bags now. Cases are rising up. Lock the doors now. Cases are rising up. Don't be afraid now. Cases are rising up. Can't go out. Oh, I want to go back to uni, but why's it taking so long? Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I wanna go back to uni. My mental health is getting bad. Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I wanna meet all my friends, chill up this class and laugh. Oh no, someone please end the COVID. I want to meet all my friends, take things for granted again. Oh no, someone please end the call me.
Good, have you done your assignment? Are you oh my god. Like really? Do I sound like I'm kidding? Oh man!
I enjoyed it too.
Yes, I'm excited. But when is the due date?
Oh, not to worry about. Due date for the submission is on the 5th of December, so we have time. Guys, shall we start brainstorming now?
Yes.
Definitely, let's do that.
Excited.
Bring it
Wait,
on.
what? I just got a reminder that we have to submit a form tonight. Have you guys done it yet?
One for
Oh my god. Tonight? Yes, tonight.
Oh my god. Alright. Let's just finish our work first and then we'll come back to this later. So I guess I'll see you guys soon online.
Okay.
Bye.
Hello everyone. I believe that you have enjoyed our song. Now, I shall walk you through how to create your own lyrics. The first step to creating your own lyrics is to find the right song for you. So the first step is to find a song that is catchy. This means that you should go for trendy songs that are currently trending on TikTok or something that you are familiar with. It shouldn't be a song that you are not familiar with the beat or the rhythm. Second, you should focus on the theme. The theme that you choose shall be relatable. The songs that you shall make from will be focused from the theme. Thus, it should be relevant. It should be something that is relevant to the situation that you are in. And lastly, it should be something that is close to you, be it emotionally or physically. For us, we chose coronavirus because it is something that is constantly being reminded to us. Especially if you can see in the picture, that is the homepage of our page. So this one, for UTM students, we are aware about the coronavirus and it makes us miss our friends. That's why we chose coronavirus as our theme. And lastly, the lyrics. The first thing you should do when writing your own lyrics is that you should be creative. Write whatever that comes into mind and never limit yourself. Keep the lyrics simple and short. Do not use hard words and make it something that you can enjoy. One of the methods that we did was by counting the syllable. So this is the original lyrics. And I'm gonna sing. Ain't nothing's gonna break my stride. Nobody's gonna slow me down. Oh no. So, and the one below is the one we changed. I wanna go back to uni, but why is it taking so long? Oh no. So if you see from the first sentence, you would see that it has 8 syllables. Let's count with me. Ain't, syllable 1. Noth, syllable 2. Thing, syllable 3. Gone, syllable 4. Nah, syllable 5. Break, syllable 6. My, syllable 7. Stride, syllable 8. Now let's go to the one that we changed. I, syllable 1. Want, syllable 2. 2, syllable 3. Go, syllable 4. Back, syllable 5. 2, syllable 6. You, syllable 7. And me, syllable 8. So we made sure that the syllable was the same to ensure that every note that we sang is aligned with the beat. And this shall make the process of creating your lyrics easier. Thank you.